My name is Delanee Ashton. I'm from Sheffield and I'm studying engineering level 3. I've always worked in engineering workshops and stuff with my dad, watching him when I was growing up, just making stuff, everything from flat pack furniture to more complex things such as working on cars and stuff. I've also always grown up watching it. Just the idea that you can just start with a blank canvas and just kind of make anything you want from your imagination, so something that could help someone or something that just looks cool. There were around 60 on my mechanical engineering course and there are 4 females. That's all, but we stick together. It's interesting to see how some people change when they kind of scan the classroom and then notice that there's females and they have to change what they're saying, because sometimes they'll refer to everyone in the class as lads, and then because they're kind of used to it when they were growing up that there was only males there, but then they sometimes change, or if they don't then we'll tell them that we're not comfortable with it. No, not at all. Everybody seems to be more modern, and seeing as there have been a few females before us in years before, they're really considerate, and the guys in the class don't treat us any different, the other students. They don't treat us any different, it's just we make our own way, same as all the rest of them do. I definitely love the maths because I've always been I like having a problem in front of me and having to solve that. And with maths, it's just something I can sit down and just get a piece of paper and a pen and just work through it until I get the right answer. When I was little, I actually wanted to be a nurse because I wanted to be able to help people and stuff. But that changed when I turned about 6 or 7. I remember getting my first Lego set when I was around that age, and I'd just sit for hours and hours just building different things and then just taking them down and changing bits, and I absolutely loved it. I was really happy, really happy, despite some people saying that it might not have been fair to them, but then once you explain the reason why, and that sometimes when you are a minority in something that you need a bit more help, everybody just thought it's a good idea, and I were ecstatic. I definitely want to be working somewhere in the automotive industry, just making fast things. I love things that go fast. I'd love to be doing that in a secure job, working up like maybe a family and that kind of stuff, just making stuff, just trying to further technology. Don't listen if anybody tells you that you can't do it because you're a female. Use the fact that you're a female to help you with that. Yeah, my overalls, they're the same fit as everyone else's, but if I'm going to put some like hearts and star patches on it, then I'm going to do that. I'm going to dress it up however I want. I'm going to be doing it in my makeup and that kind of stuff. You don't have to be a lad or a boy or like a tomboy to do this kind of subject. You can look however you want, be into whatever you want and still do it. Just keep your head down, do the work, and you'll achieve everything that anybody else can.